'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house you were running ragged and without much help. Don't fall into this situation this year. Follow my guide of things to do on Christmas Eve so that the big day can go off without a hitch and your celebrations can be, well, worry-free. Here is a Christmas Eve checklist to make sure you've got everything done. If you're staying home, make Christmas Eve the most exciting night of the holiday season for your family. Before the kids go to bed, share some holiday traditions to build up the anticipation for Santa. Bundle up and take a little walk around the neighborhood. See if you can spot any shooting stars. Get cozy at home and read some holiday stories together or watch a movie in front of the fireplace with warm hot chocolate and popcorn. Leave out a plate of Christmas cookies and a glass of milk, of course, for Santa to snack on after he comes down the chimney. And please don't break tradition by putting organic cookies out. Ugh, I'm so sick of the diet cake, it's getting on my nerves. Santa is Santa. Does he really need to diet, people? Come on. Okay, once the kids are asleep, make sure Santa finds his way into the house, enjoys his snack, and sets out the presents beneath the tree and in the stockings. And don't forget, most important, set your alarm so you're up before the kids with the camera rolling to capture Christmas morning reactions. This will give you a head start on making breakfast as well. If you're hosting guests on Christmas Day, a little bit of prep work can take away a lot of stress from your Christmas party planning. Put together appetizer platters and finger food trays ahead of time to save in the fridge. For all recipes that must be prepared the day of, complete your grocery shopping and any time-consuming chopping or measuring ahead of time. This will allow you to enjoy your guest company rather than being stuck in the kitchen on the day of the party. Yes, I can remember days and days and days of holidays where my mom was always in the kitchen. That's just the way it is, I guess. Set out bedding and towels for any guests that will be staying over for the next night. And if you're driving to see family for Christmas, there's a lot of stuff to do on Christmas Eve that will make the next day of traveling run smoothly. First, pack your luggage and load it into the car the day before, only if you can and it's safe. You may need to look up an address at your destination or print out directions as well. Depending on how long of a trip you're making, think about packing snacks or fun games to keep antsy kids entertained. For God knows, I know how many my sister were those road trips. I can't tell you how many times my parents pulled the car over the side of the road and said, "Get out." Most importantly, gather all of the gifts you are planning on bringing along with you and be sure not to leave them behind when you leave. Most important. God can't forget the gifts, people. Your Christmas Eve to-do list will keep you organized and ready for your big holiday celebrations. By ensuring that all the small but important details are covered, you are free to spend time with your loved ones or newfound holiday flame. I do hope you have a wonderful and joyous holiday. And remember, Happy Christmas to all, and to all, a good night. Merry Christmas, everyone.